Good afternoon. We're doing 2020 Prizm Draft football for Darren. Good luck, Darren. Jacobs, McLaren, Cooper, Kyler Green, not numbered. CJ Henderson out of 249. Yeah, 128 of 249. Jonathan Taylor gold. There you go. 2 of 10. Nice, man. Justin Herbert, Justin Herbert rookie. CJ Henderson, rookie. Jacoby Brissett out of 99. Jeff Okudah, silver, rookie. What was he, number 3? Anthony McFarland out of 140 of 199. Curtis Weaver, Javon Kinlaw rookies. Marlon Mack out of 43 of 49. Jake Breland, 63 of 99. Stephen Montez green autograph. Shea Patterson and KJ Hill. Mark Andrews out of 299. Zach Moss orange. Sean McKeon. Is that Michigan? Yeah. Nate Stanley and KJ Hamler. Good luck, last pack. Wentz, Mayfield, Bosa. Oh, you got a couple Kylers in this. Kyler out of 249. Eno Benjamin, 15 of 75. Tony Brown bronze rookie, 60 of 149. Jeff Okudah and Chase Young. Ohio State at the top of the draft. Darren, thank you very much.